Greetings. This is the second in a series of videos to help you complete your monument assignment using WordPress. In our first video, we talked about how we would find the WordPress URL, how we would create a WordPress site, and how we would name it. In this video, we're going to talk about creating a theme and understanding some of the technical aspects of WordPress. So the first thing I want to bring to your attention is on this top line, we've logged into our WordPress site. On this top line, this is the information about your blog, about your account, if you have some information, demographics, who you are, this type of information. Your sites, I have an awful lot of WordPress sites. Your dashboard, which is very important. Any kind of notifications from WordPress or from Marymount regarding technical aspects. And blog authors, so you can add other people to be an author for your blog. For your assignment, you're going to be the only author. So the first thing we're going to go is to dashboard. And it brings us to this page that I had talked about earlier. And we want to change the way our blog looks, because when we originally created it, just gives it a default template. But we want to change the appearance. So we're going to go to Appearance, and then we're going to go to Themes. And we click. And here are the different themes. Now, a theme is nothing more than the format for your blog. So what I want you to look at are a couple things when you're picking your theme. Look at where pictures are laid out. Look at how the menu items are aligned. So in this particular blog, the 2012 model, the menu items go across. There is one major column and then a smaller column for any kind of widgets that you might use. So for the most part, for your content, you're really going to be putting it in this area here, and it's one. Now, if you look at other examples of blogs, you'll see that this particular one has one area again, and then it has one specific area for widgets. But take note that in this one, the menu items are going to go down. This one is primarily pictures. So if you have primarily pictures, this is how it would go. This one, you have two areas. This is where your widgets would go. Your menu goes across the top, and you have two columns, a larger one and a smaller one. So as you're looking through, pick a theme that you like. Now, one of the things I'm going to tell you about is whatever theme you pick, you can change the theme even after you add content. There's no rule that says if you pick a theme, that's the theme you're stuck with. You can change the theme, and the content will just rearrange to the new theme. So I'm going to pick this one. It's 2010, and I'm going to activate it right away because I know what it looks like. For yours, though, what you might want to do is you might want to look at the details, and it'll tell you, what kind of things are customizable, what kind of things are not. And note, not all themes are going to have the same abilities. Some themes might be able to do widgets differently or do code or pictures differently than other ones. So if you compare and you say, I'm trying to do this and create a column and I want to change the print size, one theme might allow you to do that and another one won't. So just keep that in mind. So anyhow, the details gives you some information about it. A live preview is going to take us over and show what our theme would look like with our blog. So this is what it's going to look like. And now I say I like this one because the menu, for me, the menu items go across the bottom. I can put a picture here in my heading, and then I can put my content right here. I can edit my blog from this front page. Not all will allow you. And all of my widgets are going to go over here, and it has a search bar. All right, so I'm going to save and activate. And that is my blog. Now, I want to change my header. I don't want to have this picture in my header. So for this theme, there's all these other choices. I want to have the sunset. Or, yes, I want the sunset. I'm looking forward to summer. So I'm going to put the sunset here. And you could even have random, show a different image on each page. Oh, I think I might do that, actually. That might be fun. Or if I had a picture, I could choose a picture from my computer. So I'm going to do that, save my changes. And now I want to see what my website looks like. So I'm going to go up here, visit my site. And this is what my site looks like. It's got this header on the top. And if we go to another page, it should have a different picture. So I like that. All right. Now, the next thing is I want to edit my text. So I could either come here to edit, and I could edit, or I can go back to dashboard. And this text is called a post. And there's one post. So I'm going to go to this post. And it's the hello world, and I'm going to do a quick edit. Now there's a couple things I want to point out about this. I'm going to go to quick edit, and quick edit is going to do a few things. It's going to allow me, if I don't want my title to be hello world, I'm going to say DuPont Circle, you know, a crazy traffic place. I mean, that's what I'm going to call it. You can put whatever you want. I am not going to allow comments because this is the front page of my website, so I'm going to take that away. I'm not going to allow pings, and I'm going to change my slug to DuPont Circle. I'm not going to have this be password protected, and I'm going to come over here and update it. This is very important. So if we were to go, and I want to edit the text. So now I'm going to come over to edit. And actually I don't want to do this at all, because this is my HTML, and I'm not going to change that. So what I'm going to do instead is go back to my site. Which is right here, and now I have a different, and I'm going to edit here, and I'm going to take this away, and this is the first page of my site. And once I do that, I'm going to update it. So you have to remember always to update it. And the first time you create a page, you are publishing it. So then I want to do pages. So I want to add a new page. And page is just a different menu option. So this menu option is going to be, I'm going to call it statues. And just put this is a page of statues. First time I'm going to be creating this page, so I'm going to publish it. But first I'm going to say this is not going to have any parent higher than it, so I have to say no parent. If it was under one, it would be under like sample page or one of the other pages, but it's not. So no parent, publish. Let's visit my site. And you see we have our home page, the sample page, and my statues. So that is what we wanted to talk about today. Look for the next video to talk about adding pictures.